वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा, ये कितने माँ बाप का सपना होता है। नो डाउट, इंजीनियरिंग इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर करियर फील्ड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड दिस इज हेवीली वाउच्ड फॉर by parents and also respected by society. Yes, it's a fact and it has actually stood the test of time. ये गलत नहीं है ऐसा सोचना कि इंजीनियरिंग एक स्टेबल करियर है और मेरे बच्चे को उसमें जाना चाहिए. However, as I would recommend that it's very important to evaluate career options not just based on scope but on the basis of the inclinations of the child and then see the scope in that or not. Also, today it's not only about the traditional streams like computer science or electronics or mechanical, electrical, chemical engineering. They are popular, but there are other multiple specializations and new careers that have come up in the domain. And that is exactly what I'm going to discuss today, that engineering may today offering students the opportunity to revolutionize the way we live our lives every day. And we are getting into new and groundbreaking advances in technology. So in this video today, I'm going to discuss with you 6 career options that have revolutionized the engineering sector and is possible for BTech students to pursue after they've completed their graduation. But before that, if you're coming to the channel first time, I would like to warmly welcome you and thank you for watching this video. Also, I'd like to mention that my name is Akshay and I've been working as a senior project manager at IIT Bombay for more than 12 years. And in this journey, I came to interact with a lot of students and professors to understand that the career selection system in India is faulty and it requires revamp. For that end, I founded Career Vision Hub so that the students, instead of choosing career just based on popularity or prestige or payment, understand the real purpose, vision and passion in their life. To solve this particular problem, I conduct a webinar which you can know more about by going to my website jakshay.com. And if you want to book a personal session with me, you can send an email to cbhakshay@gmail.com. Please check out the description for more details. And now let's get into this video. First things first, let's hear a story. Misa, turn on the AC. It was a scorchy, sunny day outside. Amira had just come home from school. Misa, what does my day look like? You have an online class starting at 15 hours. That is exactly 1 hour from now. Please don't forget to eat your food before that. Now you all must be wondering who Misa is, or probably you have guessed it. Misa is a smart device just like Alexa. And so getting back to Amira was quite exhausted as she had a busy day and her schedule was packed with different classes. Her desire was to join the prime engineering colleges overseas for a master's like MIT or Stanford, and she was currently studying in the 3rd year of engineering. So she went inside her room and started working on a side project, forgetting to eat her meal again. She commanded Misa to set the timer to 2:45 that she could be in time for her class. Amira at this time was working on a gesture detection robotic machine. This robotic machine, when finished, would recognize bodily motion and facial expressions and would be used in human behavior, emotions and mood detection. Now the alarm started ringing at 2:45 p.m. So quickly Meera wanted up her project and wrote down notes, and she was keeping track of the day, and she was very tired by the end of the day. She was staring hard at her project, and at the same time she was lying down and looking at the ceiling and wondering if she was looking at the other world. She was thinking about imagination of time travel spaces, telepathic devices and outer space civilization. So as she closed her eyes, she dreamt of a career in the field of engineering, and she really wanted to get into the field of doing something innovative and creative with machines. But there were so many different options in the field of engineering and she was confused regarding what is the best option for her. So let us help Amira in deciding what specialization courses in engineering she can take with the help of this presentation. So let's jump in. We're going to discuss today 6 new age careers for BTech students, what they can pursue after BTech as we discussed. And we all know that engineering involves the application of scientific concepts which help in innovating, designing, constructing and operating structures or softwares and processes to solve various problems. So if you're an innovative problem solver but don't want to pursue the same old specializations, then don't worry. There are plenty of new age career options the field has on offer. So 6 new age career options BTech students can consider are as follows. First is machine learning and artificial intelligence. So machine learning and artificial intelligence kya hai? We are aware about it, maybe you have heard about it. And they are a part of computer science and involve instilling intelligence in machines, enabling the machines to function independently or make decisions as required and learn from experience. Like when it comes to split directly by machines, allowing them to complete tasks efficiently and productively. And robotics involve the practical completion of tasks by machines. While AI is not mandatory, but if you combine AI with robotics, then the potential of robotics increases multifold. So the market for machine learning and AI is definitely growing at a rapid pace, with applications across numerous industries ranging from autonomous cars, military simulations, to intelligent routing of content delivery in automated customer service department. The most popular route to make a career in this field is through a BTech and BE degree in computer science engineering, followed by you could do a certification or even you could do postgraduate program in artificial intelligence and machine learning. But today there are many universities in India also they are offering BTech degrees in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So after completing studies in this field, you can make your career as a machine learning engineer or a data scientist, artificial intelligence engineer, data analyst, or even a machine learning architect. Does it sound interesting for you? Make a note of the careers you are finding interesting. Next comes Internet of Things. The concept of the Internet of Things, IoT, started out at a slow and steady pace, but it has also rapidly picked up and the potential of the field is massive. So the internet has definitely transformed the digital space, and we have seen that during the COVID time. And imagine the possibilities if the features of the internet were connected with normal objects around your house. For example, if your fridge is already items connect हो जाते हैं and the fridge is connected to a nearby store, and if an item finishes, the milk finishes in the fridge, then it sends an alert to the store और आपके घर पे automatically दूध पहुंच जाता है. Something like that is in the IoT concept. The Internet of Things refers to a connected network of objects that can receive and send data through transmitters. Definitely, like IoT applications are there in terms of smartwatches and wearable health monitors. There are plenty of opportunities for applications of IoT ranging from smart fabrics to smart toasters, refrigerators, and even smart sofas. So IoT also includes the industrial Internet of Things, which uses applications of IoT in the industrial sector. Although there are certain BTech degrees offered with a specialization in IoT, the degree required would also depend on which role you are interested in working in. So you can make a career in areas such as device and hardware, network and architecture, mobile and UI development, and even data analytics. For example, if you are interested in device and hardware, a BTech in electrical, electronics, and instrumentation engineering would help. And courses are available at BTech level as a specialization, and BTech in computer science and engineering in IoT is also offered by a few universities. Short-term courses are also available in case you want to gain expertise in specific areas of IoT that you could pursue during your BTech or after your BTech. The third career that I have for all of you is cryptocurrency or blockchain. So cryptocurrencies, especially blockchain, have shot up in popularity over recent years and are an excellent application of blockchain technology. While the use of cryptocurrencies has expanded mainly into the BFSI or the banking and financial services industry, there is a great potential for blockchain application in other industries also. So in broad terms, a blockchain is a decentralized store of data, such as banking transactions, and is essentially a record-keeping technology that ensures safety from hacker attacks. So a blockchain setup can be used in healthcare, voting, government, transactions, stocks, trading, Internet of Things, identification, insurance, music, real estate, supply chain management, and contracts. Considering that this blockchain is still evolving, there are courses also that are getting developed, but you could definitely get courses on Coursera or edX. And career opportunities include working as a blockchain developer or a blockchain quality engineer, blockchain legal consultant also, even a blockchain designer and a blockchain project manager. So before we move ahead, I hope you're finding this video really valuable and you're noting down the details or the career options that you're finding fascinating. So if you're really finding it valuable, I would suggest that you like this particular video, share it with your friends once you watch it, and even subscribe to this channel if you're not already done, so that such videos come straight to you where you can learn more about interesting career options and also about the science of career selection and career growth. So now let's get back to the fourth career. The fourth career that I have for all of you is environmental engineering. The environment is degrading at a rapid pace as non-renewable resources are depleting while the population and pollution levels are increasing. The damage to the environment that humans are inflicting is unprecedented in the history of the world today. If you do not take action, it is going to create catastrophic and irreversible effects. Increasing awareness about such issues and influence a few people to trying to change their habits, but still a lot remains to be done. So if you want to make a direct impact on improving the environment, environmental engineering could be the career option for you. And environmental engineers use scientific methods and technology to improve the environment in a productive manner. And by designing, constructing and managing waste management systems, you could empower the environment. So there are courses in BTech Environmental Engineering are offered by a variety of universities including IIT Madras, Delhi Technical University, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Anna Bhalla University also. And you could even do an MTech or a Masters in the field of Environmental Engineering. So in the past few decades, the opportunities and demand for environmental engineers have increased exponentially as leading industries are now hiring environmental engineers to reduce their negative impact on the environment. In addition, many government agencies are also hiring environmental engineers. So with this, we come to the fifth career. Fifth career is aerospace engineering. Moving beyond travel by land or sea, the future is to travel by air and space, and we all know that. So aerospace engineering has been around since the first planes were developed. However, the field and its technology are advancing at a rapid pace. So aerospace engineering is based on the designing and development of aircraft and spacecraft, including new aviation technologies, defense systems, as well as space exploration for commercial and military purposes. As space exploration increases and more commercial companies like SpaceX enter the market, the demand for aerospace engineers is set to increase further. So current space systems are not always commercially viable, we all know that, and air transport is often expensive. But the advancements in aerospace technology can change that. And multiple universities offer BTech and B in aerospace engineering. However, you can also go for a graduation degree in mechanical engineering to get into this field. And after completing that, you can go for a master's also in aerospace engineering. Okay, and you can work as an aerospace engineer, aircraft production engineer, aerospace design checker, aircraft production manager, assistant technical officer, thermal design engineer. There are so many different options. And job opportunities are also available with corporate research companies, aviation industry, airlines, Air Force, Defense Ministry, ISRO, and many more. Last but not the least, we have a very interesting career called polymer engineering. So what are polymers? Polymers are basically essentially they are molecules that are formed by combining together smaller molecules, whether they are synthetic or natural. So while the market for polymers initially grew driven by the development of various plastics, awareness of the harmful effect of plastics, especially their lack of degradability, has led to the expansion of the polymer market as never before in a search of alternatives. So every industry requires some sort of material and polymer engineers to design and develop different materials like molded materials, rubber, synthetic fibers, and when they were using thermodynamics, chemical engineering and the properties, and this is resulting in immense growth potential in the field of polymer engineering, driven by the need of these new materials that are usable, cost effective and recyclable. So there are courses in BTech Polymer Engineering which are offered by some universities like Cochin University of Science and Technology, Chandigarh University, and even by BITS Hyderabad. And career options that you could look at are polymer engineering, polymer scientist, even polymer technology, order production supervisor, mold designer and production planner. And job opportunities you could get in the polymer corporation, even in the petroleum sector, petroleum engineering plants, and even in the areas of research. So these 6 careers that we saw, I hope you are able to remember them: machine learning and artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cryptocurrency, blockchain, environmental engineering, aerospace engineering, and polymer engineering. So you should let me know in the comment box which of the careers did you find best. And to sum up, the overall field of engineering may have been around for quite some time, but due to the variety in streams, innovations in technology, there is always something new that is available. कुछ नया हमेशा available रहता है. And if you are interested in creating and developing concepts, whether it is a software, a new material, or new modes of travel, engineering has endless possibilities. If you are confused about the engineering specialization and you want to understand more about it, you could send an email and book your personal session by sending an email to cvhakshay@gmail.com. Now coming back to Amira has decided to pursue a bachelor's degree in computer science, followed by a PGP in machine learning and artificial intelligence. She actually wants to create robotic machines working on complex algorithms that humans can use in their day-to-day lives. Such commercial robotic machines available to the common people would probably make life easier. That's what she thinks. So I hope you found engineering video interesting. So which of these careers appeal to you most? Please don't forget to let me know in the chat box. And thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best in your career journey, in your engineering journey, and we'll wait to see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. All the best.